Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Lewis, and today we're talking about 2025 goal setting using AI, using ChatGPT to organize your ideas. We're going to be doing this with three main sections: faith, lifestyle, and business. So if you're ready to do some goal setting with me, let's go. So the first thing that you're going to need is a piece of paper and a pen. So that's how I started, with a computer piece of paper, just blank. If you have a notebook, you can use that. And I have three different sections here. So I have faith, just like I talked about, lifestyle, and business. And what I did was basically, without any structure, without thinking too much about it, wrote out like my overall intentions for all of those things. It wasn't like really specific goals. I wasn't doing SMART goals right now. I was really thinking about my intentions. Like, how do I want these areas of my life to feel? For example, for my faith, I want consistent monthly fasting, continuing to worship, to fellowship, to ask Holy Spirit to lead me, wear the armor of God, live in God's favor. So things like that. And then for lifestyle, having a happy home, building my confidence, having one-on-one time with the kids, and it goes on and on. So I just kept listing out all of these different things. For business, having consistent sales, having happy customers with lots of positive feedback and testimonials. So once I wrote out, filled these in, then I started to think about more tangible things that I need. But that was after. So like I wrote, I want a new car. I want to get some new shoes. I need to fix my laptop screen. Like all of those things, which I didn't even categorize them yet. I just really separated who I want to be, how I want my life to really, the values I want to represent in each section, and some of the ways I would like my life to look, but didn't really focus on specific SMART goals or tangible needs, because that's going to come later. Okay. So once you got those three sections laid out, you could put on some worship music, you can pray, ask Holy Spirit to lead you in really helping you clarify these three areas. And the reason why I chose three areas, because for me, I get overwhelmed if there's too many categories. I used to have all of those 8 to 12 categories, and it kind of made me feel all over the place. So I like to have these three main categories: faith, lifestyle, business, and then I can go ahead in those three and start to subcategorize if needed. So this is what I did. Sign up for an account, right? And this is what I did. I wanted to kind of show you what I did. I also used the voice feature. Like, on the desktop, you can just speak straight in to ChatGPT, and that is pretty fire. So, okay, this is where I started. And on my phone, I just used, the little audio part where you can just talk and then it writes out the text for you. So that's really, really helpful. So all I did was say I have an overall vision for 2025. It's in three different categories. And then I said, let's start with business. So I just started to read out all of the business stuff that I talked about. And then from there, I went into my tangible needs list and wrote out some of the things pertaining to business that I want to get, like my laptop screen, upgrading my phone, my iPad with a Fire keyboard, a new office chair, things like that. So then what I asked ChatGPT to do was to break it down into actionable steps. But I realized later on that I wanted to keep it more organized, and I wanted to see it in a chart. So depending on how you want to see it, you can ask ChatGPT to do that. So I said, can you organize that in like a chart, separating the category, the intention, and the need? And as you can see, they broke down my business category into branding, business growth, marketing, faith-driven goals, content creation, and then it has the tangible needs on the right, which is the things that I wanted. And then I said, great, let's do that for the next section. And that's, again, I just read everything out from my lifestyle section and told them, okay, great, do that again, create a chart. And all of these I'm going to insert into my Notion template, which we'll talk about later. But again, it took my lifestyle category and separated it into home, health, family, marriage, finances, homeschooling. And I can or cannot use those categories, depends on how I want to fix it up in my Notion. But then again, what are my tangible needs? I want a toilet seat upgrade, just things like that, that I can eventually figure out when I organize this further. But it's nice to kind of just see that and just to get started, like writing it all out, asking ChatGPT to organize it for you. And you might have an even better idea of how to do this. ChatGPT works with your brain, you know? You can leverage it, you can leverage it for your brain. Then I did the same thing with my faith goals, but I also asked them to relate my scriptures back to each one of those things. And my only tangible need, I really would like a new Bible. I've had mine for over 10 years, and the story behind that is on my New Age to Jesus testimony. But I think it's time for a new one. So these are my intentions for 2025 when it comes to my faith. And then I asked another question based on like everything that I've like told you about what I want to do with my faith and business and lifestyle. Were there any like related themes? And this is what came out: growth, alignment, stewardship, purpose, teaching. And then they gave me some more questions, because I also asked, what are some questions that I haven't like really asked myself to even improve my overall vision? So you can ask that as well. So I love seeing what were some of the themes, alignment. What were some of the themes for me, which was growth, alignment, stewardship, and purpose. So that was really, really cool. And then I asked some other stuff, but something I thought was really important. I said, can you break it down to annual, quarterly, weekly, daily steps? And this is what they were able to do for me, which I thought was really cool. And again, keeping that faith, lifestyle, business, what are some of the annual things I would need to do for faith? Create a year in the faith journal. I could reassess my Bible study plan. For lifestyle, I could host a family vision board night, which we are doing goal setting now for the end of the year. We can also, for business, I can do an annual business audit. Create my content calendar for the year, and then also quarterly routines. This is all going to be really personalized to what your goals are. And then monthly routines, weekly routines, daily routines. These are the habits that are going to help you reach your overall goal. Like one of my lifestyle goals is also to lose 20 pounds. So I have to lose 5 pounds every quarter. And that is going to really come down to what I do every day. What am I going to do every day to make that goal a reality? And then I said, this is nice and everything, but you know what I didn't add? My challenges. What are the current challenges that I am facing right now? So I told ChatGPT, these are my challenges. Can you redo that based on the challenges that I'm facing in each of these areas? And so it revised it. And I was like, okay, great. Now I want to share this. And these are the different steps that we did. So number one is going to be to write down your vision in those three, spaces of faith, lifestyle, and business. You can write down your intentions, your desires, your goals for each section. I did a lot of abstract goals, right? Like growing in faith or wearing the armor of God. Because these are things that can always be broken down. What does it actually mean to do that? That's when we break it up for our quarterly, our monthly, weekly, and daily lifestyle. Don't worry about the structure. This is going to be like a brain dump. And then you can think about the tangible things that you want, like that new Bible or your car, whatever it is. And then you're going to ask ChatGPT to organize it. Instead of typing it all up, I would say just talk right into it, get it in there, and let ChatGPT organize it for you by category or in a chart or however it's going to be best for your brain. And then also let ChatGPT know your challenges. Be honest so that they can give you tailored advice and strategies to your situation. And then you're going to break those goals into those routines, those annual, quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily tasks so that it can feel manageable. So this is just like an intro into doing this. I'm going to make more videos actually going into each topic a little bit more, like actually breaking down those goals into routines. And then, of course, you're going to want to put this somewhere, okay? Whether it's in your journal. I do digital planning with Notion. So I am actually making my 2025 faith focused life and business planner. So I'm going to have all of my goals here, quarterly goals here, breaking those down. And just to give you a little example that I've already started going further, let me show you really quickly. ChatGPT is helping me build a template. So one thing about ChatGPT, it's going to help you give you ideas, but really think about start doing things on your own first. Like have your own vision and then let it help you tweak things. Because I tried to build a template, like just using exactly what ChatGPT told me, and it wasn't working for me, for my brain. So I had to do it the way it felt right for me and then use some tips or some guidance. But I wanted to show you here how you can break it down into smaller steps. So for branding and marketing, the vision, clear, cohesive branding, and then your quarterly goals. Quarter one, you can revisit your brand story. Quarter two, you can test new social media templates. So that's one way that you can start to see how it could be broken up even further. And then you can even go more specific, like, okay, specifically for January, these are the things that I'm going to do and then even more specific, what week am I going to do each one? So very, very cool. And then in your Notion planner, you can start planning out all those things. I love a to-do and done list. So basically I have a weekly setup Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday are really my reset days. And so you can just click, like today is Friday, I'm going to post my YouTube video. This painting the nails has been on the list since like Wednesday, but you see I can easily drag that where I need it to do and where I want to do it. And sometimes I'll just go in and write what I already did. So like yesterday, I was like, you know what? I didn't get to paint my nails, but I did make sofrito, which there's a green pepper here, y'all, but it's not there. And what you do is you just add an item. Let's say I'm going to add talked to sis, right? You can put your life area, which that's lifestyle, and status, done. And then you can pick an icon if you want. I'm going to just put the brown heart and that's it. So now it's on there and it reminds me that, oh, I did that today. And then to do, I still need to do. But anyway, we're going to go deeper into the planner and all of the things you can do on another video. If you want some tools now, I'm going to leave the link to sign up to my newsletter. You'll get this free resource called the Faith Focused Business Toolkit. And basically, what you'll do is you'll duplicate this page right up here, the three things. You'll press duplicate, the three little buttons, they'll say duplicate, and then this will be yours. So then you'll be able to have the 2024 reflection guide where you can type right in there, get some reflections, which that'll help you when you are actually writing out all of your intentions for the 3 parts. And then there's a 2025 preparation guide. Again, filling these out, it'll help you just get more clarity on the things that you want in those 3 sections. And then I have a Bloom in Business checklist, just like some things you can do to stay organized in business. And I'm going to be adding more resources there. Soon I'll have the Faith Focused Life and Business Planner there. So let me know if you're looking forward to that. Let me stop sharing my screen. I hope this was helpful for you in some type of way. Which part of the process did you like best? Let me know below. And I'm so happy to be dropping this video because I haven't made a video in 2 weeks. I thought I was going to go no December without YouTube, but I noticed that my YouTube was not growing like it has been for the past 9 months that I've been on. It was growing about 25 subscribers a month. When I stopped posting, I actually started losing subscribers and not growing at all. So posting is truly key. And this is such a topic I am passionate about, and it's the best time to talk about it. So I was like, let me just go ahead and share this information. I'm doing it anyway. Let me see if it can help my Christian women in business and their life, just to help you get organized. Let me know how you're feeling about the new year. Have you decided a word of the year? And yeah, What are your plans for Christmas, for the holidays? I'd love to hear it. My word is flourish, and I'm staying home with my babes and just being really grateful and really thinking about all the amazing things God has done. We're gonna just play with all the toys that we already have and that we've kind of like neglected throughout the year and enjoy just having time together and playing. Honestly, let's just play. So have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you another time. Adios. I have plenty of other videos for you to check out that I made throughout the year. So if you have been watching with me, watching my videos, let me know what was one of your favorite videos this 2024. I'd love to know, and I'd love to know what would you like to see more of from me. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe or leave a comment. I'll see you on my next video. Yes.